The team of Signum Games always loves inventing and creating new miniatures, but the most fun is working on new dragons for the world of Signum. Each new dragon is associated with locality, a group or a nation of the Signum world. All these factors are always reflected in the dragon's appearance, and you can recognize its belonging to a faction. When creating concept arts, we are working on both pose choices and small details that will connect the dragon to its faction and reveal its character. While modelling, the future model will acquire lots of details. The mummy is indeed very ancient, and it is good that the corrosion has only managed to touch the dragon's armour and jewellery. The production of it should be also taken into account, especially how to divide for printing. All of our miniatures go through test printing, which is a very exciting creative process. All stages of creating any model take time, but it is an obligatory process to make sure all the technology is done right. Egyptian mythology didn't have dragons as we know them, but in the world of Signum, dragons were in all factions. Of course, one of them had to be buried with honours and resurrected with the other mummies. And only then we can see the new dragon and become fully aware of all the extraordinary details our team has come up with. And now Nefer, Guardian of Darkness, is ready to take to the battlefield or get on your shelf.